you're looking to use your iPhone as a car key, yes, that's right. You can now add your car key to Apple Wallet. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're upgrading your ride or just want to use your iPhone for convenience, this is a super useful feature. Make sure your iPhone is updated first of all to the latest version. You'll also want to ensure that your car software is up to date. Now, to check the iPhone's update, go to settings and on general and go to software update. Make sure your iPhone is upgraded to iOS 17 or higher. Now let's add your car key. Open the Apple Wallet app. From here we'll walk through the steps to set up your car key. Now tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now you'll see an option to add car key. Depending on your car manufacturer, the process might vary slightly. For example, if you're setting this up with a BMW, you'll need to use the BMW Connected Drive app, or for Ford, you might use the Ford Pass app. Open the app for your car brand and follow the instructions to add your car key. Once you've successfully paired your car with the app, you'll prompted to add your car key to your Apple Wallet. Simply follow the prompts and tap to add to wallet, and you'll see your car key appear as a new pass in the wallet app. Now your car key is in your wallet and you can use it to unlock and start your car directly from your iPhone. Now to use your car key, simply double click the side button on your iPhone and hold your phone near the door handle to unlock it. And that's it. You're all set to use your iPhone as your car key. It's super convenient feature, and once it's set up, you'll never have to worry about losing your physical key again.